Have you wished for healthier, shiny hair? I'm sure there are a lot of us out there.
Welcome to Hair's Glam. Join us as we take a look at 6 proven strategies that can work wonders for shinier hair.
Between styling, environmental stress, and aging, keeping hair healthy can be tough, but with a few simple tips, you can bring back the shine. We all love a good blowout or flat iron session, but too much heat can really damage your hair over time. Try cutting back on the hot tools when you can, and your hair will thank you.
Protein-rich foods like eggs, lean meats, and beans can help strengthen your hair from the inside out. Let's not forget about biotin-rich foods like nuts and avocados. They're great for keeping your hair healthy and shiny. Another game changer? Regular trims. Might seem simple, but cutting off split ends before it can travel up the strand helps prevent breakage and keeps your hair looking fresh. Ever wonder why your hair is thinning or falling out? Be from a toxic buildup on your scalp. Chemicals from shampoos, food, even the environment can block your follicles, leading to hair loss. Polyprime aids in the removal of that buildup, nourishes your scalp, and strengthens your hair, which in turn helps your hair grow faster. Say goodbye to thinning, hair loss, and irritation, and hello to thick, shiny, healthy hair.
Another really important factor to healthier hair is the correct product selection. With so many options available, it can sometimes feel overwhelming. One key product that should be included in any hair care routine, particularly for those using styling products or living in areas with hard water, is a clarifying shampoo. However, it's important to note that clarifying shampoos should only be used once a week or every other week, depending on your hair's needs.
With these simple tips, you'll be on your way to healthier, shinier hair in no time. Be sure to visit our website to find out more info on ways to improve your hair's health. You'll find a link in the bio. Don't forget to tell your friends and hit that like and subscribe button.